All right, what's going on, guys? So we brought it out, got it all together, and we're actually shooting today, and it works absolutely amazing out here in southeast Iowa. The boy is tearing it up. I got him a new 20 gauge yesterday when I got to pick this up, and he is smoking clays with it. Flawless. Absolutely loving this today. So we got to mess with the angles and stuff, but we're gonna shoot a box of clays out here and enjoy it. It's the wife's birthday. She let us come out and shoot, and she's with us. But can't get over how much of an improvement this is as champion thrower over the hand throwing. And it's got the foot pedal, and it wings them. Anyways, hope everyone's enjoying their Sunday. Take care, guys.
I'm off.